Good morning, dignitaries. Myself k.Hrushikesh and I am from EEE department. Today I am going to do my assignment 2 for the subject linear algebra and calculus. And my topic is about Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. The contents in the presentation are definition of Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers, proof of above method, an example problem of this method, and the conclusion. So at first, let us see what is Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. In this method, by using Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers of function of three variables, by the definition of Lagrange's function, which is depending on multipliers, can be written as f of x comma y comma z is equals to f of x comma y comma z plus lambda into phi of x comma y comma z is equals to 0, or f of x comma y comma z is equals to f of x comma y comma z plus lambda into phi of x comma y comma z plus mu into xi of x comma y comma z is equals to 0. Here we have to differentiate the above equation with respect to x, y and z in partially and solve them. If we write dou dou f by dou x is equals to 0, dou f by dou y is equals to 0, dou f by dou z is equals to 0. And here our problem is find a point on plane 3x plus 2y plus z is equals to 12 nearest to the origin 0 comma 0 comma 0. Here first let us consider p of x comma y comma z be a point on the plane nearest to the origin. We know that origin is nothing but 0 comma 0 comma 0, that is 0. Distance between 2 points formula is square root of a square plus b square plus c square. Here in the place of a b c we have x y z. So distance between 2 points op is equals to square root of x square plus y square plus z square, and f of x comma y comma z is equals to op square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square. Here the square and the square root will be cancelled, so we get x square plus y square plus z square. Let us consider this as equation 1. Given plane, we denote a relation phi of x comma y comma z is equals to 3x plus 2y plus z is equals to 12. Psi of x comma y comma z is equals to 3x plus 2y plus z minus 12 is equals to 0. Here plus 12 will become minus 12 when it comes to LHS side. So let us consider this as equation number 2. From the Lagrangian function, f of x comma y comma z is equals to f of x comma y comma z plus xi of lambda into phi of x comma y comma z. So here we have the both values. From 1 and 2, we can write it as x square plus y square plus z square plus x square plus y square plus z square plus lambda into 3x plus 2y plus z minus 12 is equals to 0. Let us consider it as equation number 3. Differentiating equation. By differentiating equation number 3 with respect to x, y, z in partially, dou f by dou x is equals to 2x plus 3 lambda is equals to 0. Consider it as equation number 4. Dou f by dou y is equals to 2y plus 2 lambda is equals to 0. Consider it as equation number 5. Dou f by dou z is equals to 2z plus lambda is equals to 0. Consider it as equation number 6. We can write them as 2x is equals to minus 3 lambda, that implies x is equals to minus 3 lambda by 2. 2y is equals to minus 2 lambda, that implies y is equals to minus lambda. 2z is equals to minus lambda, that implies z is equals to minus lambda by 2. From equation number 2, if we substitute the values of x, y, z, we can get it as 3 of minus 3 lambda by 2 plus 2 into minus lambda plus minus lambda by 2 is equals to 12. The next equation is minus 9 lambda minus 4 lambda minus lambda is equals to 12 into 2. Here minus 9 minus 4 minus 1 is equals to minus 14. So minus 14 lambda is equals to 24. Lambda is equals to minus 24 by 14. Here we can get the lambda value of minus 12 by 7. If we substitute the lambda values in the values of x, y, z in the previous, we can get the original values of x, y, z. So here x is equals to minus 3 by 2. In the place of lambda, we are substituting minus 12 by 7. We can get the x value as 18 by 7. Y is equals to minus lambda. That implies y is equals to 12 by 7. Z is equals to minus lambda by 2. That is equals to z is equals to 12 by 14. If we simplify, we can get the z value is equals to 6 by 7. So we have found the nearest point to the origin. That implies x comma y comma z, that is 18 by 7 comma 12 by 7 comma 6 by 7. Hence we have verified the Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. Thank you.